Spank him. Spank him.
Oh!
Wait, now she's leaving.
Spank him, Kirsten. Spank him.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
You gonna get on us?
Oh!
Okay,
Oh,
Olivia.
mommy!
Olivia, come here, let Kirsten do it. Kirsten.
You take a bit
Olivia, be
Watch
careful.
out, Olivia.
Come here, Olivia. Olivia, come here.
He's my daddy.
Come here. Look, they take it. Look, look. Kirsten, give me a spank.
Can I
Give me a spank.
after her, can I get my picture taken? My picture.
Kirsten.
Smile, Kirsten. Let's get him.
Hello.
I'm gonna sit on his head.
His feet. Olivia, give Kirsten a pillow.
Ah! Oh!
Oh no.
I want her to say it. Olivia.
Person. Now there.
Oh!
Now stop moving.
Oh!
She keeps getting scared. Olivia.
Olivia. Hey, that's it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, you're getting too rough.
Let's let Kirsten play a little bit.
Daddy.
We play all the time.
Can I step on you?
Because you step on me all the time.
There's plenty of time for stepping on
You
daddy
step on me all
later.
the time. Why can't I step on you? Why can't I step on you?
Stop!
Why?
You're making me tick.
Well, you better go to the bathroom, man.
Well, we got that.
Hey!
I knew it.
Oh! Look what I'm gonna do to you. Look what I'm gonna do to you. I'm gonna do. All right, you ready? Ready to go like an airplane? Whee! You ready? Whee! Whee!
Okay.
Kirsten, who's got you?
Super baby.
Who is that?
Super baby.
Is that Vince?
Where you going? You had enough?
Is
That's
it Vince?
a pretty serious look right there.
No, you have to go to the bathroom.
Kirsten? Kirsten, where's
I have to
Vince?
wash my hands.
Where's Vince?
No.
Can you say Vince?
No more. We're done. We're done with all that, I said. All right, that's it.
Kirsten.
That's it. Pull it. Pull
Who's
it.
that?
Pull it. Don't bite my nose. Don't bite my nose. All right, no more spanking and no more biting. Chill.
Get her all well done.
All right, come
Then
on,
you want her
baby.
to turn off.
Chill. Chill out.
Olivia.
Olivia, make me $10,000, please.
No,
Come on.
no,
Come on.
no,
Go talk
All I'm
to the
asking for is
camera person.
$10,000.
no,
You could do it.
no. Do it.
Do it. Do it. Gotta do it.
No.
Do it.
I think she's scaring herself.
She gets so excited.
No.
That's pretty good.
No!
Okay, Olivia.
Like the Energizer Bunny, it keeps going and going. getting all turned around now. So where are you going? Where you going, Miss Kirsten?
See now, Vince, if we were doing this, we'd work that hot dog off.
Yeah, well, I'd work it off all right in the bathroom.
Look at all that energy. Look, you get tired.
Woo, woo,
The
chill.
roof.
All right. Yeah. Collision.
I love the way she changes direction. You okay?
Hey, smarty pants.
You got a cramp? Too soon after eating, baby.